Hey there, this is Mrs. Zonin. I am the media specialist at Pope High School, and today I'm going to show you how to do a subject terms search in the EBSCO databases. So for my example today, I'm going to use this Academic Search Complete. And when it opens up, you'll notice that you have your typical search bar here, but if you look at the top, you have some other options of ways to search. Today I want to show you how to do a subject terms search. So we're going to click on subject terms. Pay attention, notice that you have two search bars here. The one that we're going to focus on is this browsing search bar. So we're going to put in our first search term that we want to look at, because usually when you're doing a research paper, you're looking at kind of a combination of things. And so we want to get results that really focus on both of those, or maybe there's multiple options or items that we're thinking about for our research. So I'm going to show you how to kind of combine those ideas and get really solid results. So, and I'm using examples from student papers that have come up recently. So we're going to do racial inequality, and notice right here underneath, you need to pick how you want to search this. Is it how the term begins? Do you want the term to contain this? Do you want relevancy ranked? Pick whichever works for you. I'm going to go ahead and hit browse, and notice that I only get one subject that shows up. Sometimes you'll get several. So if I do, let me see, I'm going to give you another example. Let's say that I do emotional abuse, and I do that search. See, now here I have some other options, and it's saying if you want just straight emotional abuse, use this, and you can click that, and it's going to give you some other options, and then you pick which one, right? I'm going to go back to my racial inequality, and I want to go ahead and click this, and then I'm going to hit add. And what that's going to do is it's going to add it up here into my search bar. But I'm not done, right? Because I want to look at how racial inequality is affecting something else. And so this student in particular picked politics. So I'm going to go ahead and put politics, and I'm going to hit browse. And it's going to give me all of these options. And you have to pick, exactly which kind of search term you're looking for. If you're looking at world politics, you would do that. If you're looking at gender, then maybe you would click here. So, you need to pick which one works for you. I'm going to go ahead and just do world politics. And then this is the important part. So you have to think about what you have up above. Do you want racial inequality or politics, or do you want and politics and or not politics, right? So you have to pick which term you're looking for. If you notice that you're getting a lot of results that have to do with a certain subject that is outside of what you're looking for, maybe you'll have a not and get rid of that. And so it'll get rid of any articles that go along with that. I'm going to say and for this one, and I'm going to add that. So now I've got a couple of different subject terms up here, and when I hit search, it's going to give me a lot of options. Notice I got almost 24,000. But when I look at these article titles, it's exactly what I was looking for, right? And then I can narrow that down. Like, I only want full text, right? I want to be able to actually read the articles. So right there, I've already narrowed it down, a lot more. And I can limit to some other options here. If you have certain source types that your teacher's requesting or that you're looking for, you can narrow it down that way. So I want to show you, I want to compare this. Let's say that we had not used, excuse me, our subject term search, and we just did racial inequality and politics, right? Which is pretty much what we just searched. Notice I only get about 300 results, and they may or may not have anything to do with what I was looking at. What the subject term search does is it really gives you much better results based on what you're specifically looking for. And the option, and you can add as many, I only did 2 different subject terms, but you could have 5 or 7 in there and really narrow it down, eliminating certain topics, adding certain topics, or saying it could be this or this. So really think about your subject terms as you do your searching to make sure that these results that you're getting are really going to focus on the topic that you are looking for. If you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to me and I will be happy to help you. I look forward to seeing what you guys do. Have a great day.